is 96th Street.
Transfer is available to the 1 train.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear of the platform. This is Express train. The next stop is 72nd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Hello, everyone. The MTA is hiring. We're looking to hire talented individuals as bus operators, skilled tradespeople, and for positions in legal, labor, occupational health, and
so crowded because a lot of people struggle with mental health on the train, and they get frustrated because the trains don't come, and that's what it is. I deal with it all the time, going home and coming and going to work. Operators, the bus drivers, and the train operators, they struggle with mental health badly. When their job, they get frustrated on their job and they start to quit and leave the bus and don't come back to the bus. And leave the bus right there and just leave it there. And they don't want to come back to work. That's how it is. When they get upset and when they start to act up, that's when the mental health kicks in their
This
mind.
is 72nd
The
Street.
brain cells
Transfer
go,
is available to the 1
and they don't
train.
get.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is
And
at
when
the
they
rear of the platform.
get to that situation where they said enough is enough, that's when they flip the other side. That's the reason why I should don't get involved in that. I stay in my place and mind my business. Hell yeah.
The next stop
Ain't that
is
some shit?
Times Square.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. No problem. That's the respect right there. Because a lot of people don't do that. They just sit there, and when they see this person standing there, they don't move. They don't give them the seat because they just frustrated, whatever, like that. That's the reason why I don't say nothing. I just tell her to sit down. As a respect right there. stop left the Church Avenue. So I'm about to end this right now. And I get off, we talk.
Saturday.
Alright, so you gotta end this right now.